Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a try on haul from Shein. I'm probably going to be doing a voiceover, just being that there's a lot of fireworks and stuff in the background. I don't want it to interfere with me telling you guys about how everything fits. This is my first try on haul. So bear with me. I'll try to answer any questions in the comments below. And if you like what you're seeing so far already, which of course you do, because like make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a second. So this first top is like an orange kind of like strappy top. I really like this one. I obviously have to get a bra that doesn't show the back, but I thought this was like super cute. And yeah, I just feel like this is like the perfect going out top, like if I want to go somewhere, and orange looks really good on my skin, so I just love this one. This next top is just like a plain white top. I thought this was also like really cute and simple, just with like a pair of jeans or some shorts. You always need one of these tops, so I really thought this was super cute. And yeah, if you guys hear the fireworks in the background, it's like no place in my house that I cannot like have, you can't hear the fireworks, so just deal with it. Tell them to stop then, like I'm just joking. I apologize for the background sound. I love this top so much. I actually already wore this. If you follow my Instagram, you've probably already seen me wear this top. I was obsessed with this top. I thought this was super cute. Typically, I don't wear crop tops because my stomach is a little bit out, but I really didn't care. I thought this was so cute. And then I have on these biker shorts that came with it. It didn't come with it, but like I thought that it matched. But I didn't really like them, so I barely showed them because they were just kind of like looking crazy. So obviously I was feeling myself here. I love this t-shirt. It was so cute. The reason why I kind of picked it up was because I like the yellow on my skin, and I seen somebody named Kyla on Instagram. I don't know if you know her, Kyla Monique. She has like a top similar to it, so I was like, okay, let me see if I could find one, and I found it so cute. Like, I'm gonna style it differently when I wear it out, but I just wanted to put on some biker shorts just for the time being, but it fit me perfectly. I actually love this t-shirt. This is my favorite t-shirt out of the whole try on haul. So I really was upset because I loved this t-shirt online, but it just turned out to be like way too big for me. So I like my t-shirts to be oversized, but this is a little much. Like, it was giving me like I'm going to bed and I'm putting on my boyfriend's t-shirt. I don't even have a boyfriend, but you know what I mean? Like, it was that big. Like, it was not my size. So I'm gonna have to try to figure out how to shrink it or something, because I was kind of irritated because I had a outfit in mind with this shirt. And also the next shirt is going to be the same issue. Like, they were both cute, but they were just way too big. So I'll probably have to just try to shrink them in the dryer or something. But it was still cute. I like the designs on them, so. these were just like some, I don't know what you call these, like they were just leggings, but they had little white stripes on the side, which I thought was cute. I don't have a really big butt, so my butt doesn't really fill out like leggings that much, so that's kind of like why I tried not to wear like certain stuff. But these turned out cute though. Like I have a top that will go with it, like a white top, crop top, so they're cute though. I really like them. They're pretty simple. You could wear them with anything pretty much, so I got those. This is actually like a different pair, but it has the same white stripes, but these are just down the middle, so I like those. And now I have on like this jumpsuit, or is this like a bodysuit? I don't know. Whatever, it has like one shoulder. I thought this was really cute. I also don't wear stuff like this either because like my butt is not that big, but I thought it was still cute on me. Like, I'll figure it out. I thought that I could really rock this with like some heels if I'm going out, when outside opens back up. I was kind of feeling myself at this moment a little bit. Like, look at me. These were like some biker shorts. It was the same style with the stripe in the middle, but they were just the shorts version. These are really cute too. I could obviously wear this with anything, so I really like these. And yeah, overall everything pretty much fit except for the t-shirts, so I was pretty much pleased with this haul. Nothing broke apart yet, so I don't have any complaints, and it's thick girl friendly because everything I wore, I'm sure you could wear it, especially like the t-shirts. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Okay guys, so that concludes this try on haul. I'm sorry if you couldn't see the bottom of my legs because I'm recording on my phone, so it is what it is. But you guys pretty much got the gist, and I explained everything to you guys about how everything fit. Overall, I would say like it's okay. I mean, it's only but so much you can expect for something like Shein or Boohoo or whatever, because it's just like, it's fast fashion, so you're not gonna really get like, you know, but it was cute for what it was. Like, I liked it for the most part. But let me know if you guys want to see any more like thick girl hauls, because my shape isn't like this, so I have to dress, you know, to fit my body type. And you guys probably, you know, some of you guys out there might be shaped like me or whatever, so if you want to know, if you want to see any more hauls, let me know. And I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I love you guys. And yeah.